Yes, Gap. It's officially a snow day in London, and we are on our way to get babies' vaccines. But it's probably going to take us 7 times as long because people are doing what? 15 miles an hour?
And no one allowed to drive. There's no like, oh my god. Oh my god, it's snowing!
Baby. And yes, this is the second round of the vaccines. And it is bright and early, it's 9:25, so we're heading into town, and yeah, it's vlog. Top off, getting tapped off in the city, big tap dog, and I dance and I'm like Diddy. Pop off and I pop back like Diddy, yeah. It is so cold. So he had his vaccination and we went to get Starbucks, of course, and a panini. Yeah, the struggle, like, it is snowing. I feel like the camera really doesn't do the amount of snow justice, or maybe it does. It's just my weak human eye that can't see it on the screen.
Flakes that are falling from these.
Lovely skip in front of us. I hope little one's okay this afternoon.
Last time he was fine.
I mean, oh my god, I'm like sinking into my jacket. Yeah, last time he was okay, he was just a bit feverish.
Just needed some love.
I'm like a turtle. Oh, it's so cozy. I do love a bit of snow. But yeah, this is really making us miss some arts in Switzerland and being able to actually do sports in the snow, like skiing.
Get a view.
Yeah, and have a lovely view of mountains as opposed to, you know, this where literally London is standstill in this bloody weather. Like, we can't function. Yet there are many, many cities that are used to this kind of weather. And yet here we are. Like, nope. That's a day. Look outside, oh my god, it's so snowy. It looks so pretty. I bloody love it. Right, I'm gonna go run some errands now and take y'all with me. So I swapped sunglasses, they're both Céline, but I am feeling these ones more. I'm gonna go and do my errands, run my errands. Honey boy. Say hey! Say hey, boo! Fab's over there watching baby with Stella and TV. Right, sugar pie. I'm off. I want this monkey. I am obsessed with monkeys and I'm obsessed with ornaments for my garden. Okay, I can't pick this up with one hand though, but I'm taking him home. And these, I'm just gonna buy these because, you know, I fucks with these. Yes. Getting there with that post baby weight from where my tracksuit was, lovely. But yeah, still got a ways to go. I came home to these two like this.
You could get helping glass vanilla ice cream from Tesco for $4.20. Or you could get deluxe Madagascar vanilla ice cream from Lidl, 2 mini deep dish pizzas, potato wedges, oh, and one with cola.
Cooking dinner for me and my brother and Fab. Moo, you like the heater? It's because it's so cold outside. Snowing. So I'm making my famous wings and skins. So those are obviously the skins. And here we have the wings for the boys in my homemade barbecue honey sauce. I am obsessed with potato skins. Nom 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 nom. So I have just run myself a bath with some of my favourite bath salts. I used these ones, which is why the bath is yellow, and some of this as well because I am so unbelievably achy from Barry's boot camp, and this pillow that my brother got me is amazing, so I'm about to get all up in this.
Yeah. Oh. Hello, Mr. Alexander. Do not cry. I am here with you. Cuckoo.
Good night from us, crazy family.